It's very nice to see it, but yeah, this environment and all, it's good to see. I feeling very happy. I'm sitting alone, but also I'm happy. Oh, it's nice to sit here, all drawing. Some babies will come and play there. For pregnant ladies, they cannot sit up like this. They have to fold the legs and sit. Now they are comfortable with this and more comfortable in this.
The BBMP maternity home in Wilson Garden has become an example to develop all other PSCs in the city. They usually come along with the caregivers or the attendants. Improving such facilities with comfortable waiting areas, play areas, plants and herbal gardens makes their experience delightful. Our hospital has achieved first prize in South Zone Clinical BBMP and got first prize in Kaya Kalpa.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೈಟಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ನೋಟ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ತುಂಬ ಗಲೀಜಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಕಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮಗೂ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Where I'm standing currently, this is Putani Park. It was a wasted piece of land, underutilized, owned by government. Today it brings at least 50 plus families outdoors on a daily basis, giving children the opportunity to have access to outdoors which they didn't have earlier on.
Pop-up Plaza at Hudson Circle is created out of underutilized space at the intersection.
We have, from Smart City Mission, we have done these works at 60 locations, and this has been a major success. By having small interventions, we have created a lot of impact, and it is being replicated in other places also.